The January numbers are in, so let's break down the market data for single-family homes in Plainfield, Illinois. Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Today, we're breaking down the January 2026 numbers for the Plainfield real estate market. We'll start with the big picture, then take a closer look at zip codes, and finally by school districts so you know exactly what's happening in your neighborhood. At the time of this recording, there are 149 active listings in Plainfield, with an average list price of around $571,000. On the demand side, 136 homes are under contract, with an average list price of about $559,000. 57 homes sold in January. That's 21 less than we saw in December, and 10% less than the 63 sales we saw last January. The average sold price across Plainfield was about $473,000, and homes spent about 55 days on the market. Plainfield has the longest days on market among its neighboring communities of Aurora, Naperville, and Oswego. Now, let's dig deeper into the different Plainfield zip codes. There are 55 active listings in 60544, with an average list price of $515,000. There are also 46 properties under contract and 20 homes sold in January with an average sold price of $431,000. 60585 has 45 active listings with an average list price of $760,000. Additionally, 55 properties are under contract and 17 homes were sold in January with an average sold price of $593,000. Finally, 60586 has 49 active listings with an average list price of around $459,000. Presently, 35 homes are under contract and 20 homes closed in January, averaging $414,000. The key takeaway here is that while 60585 is the most expensive zip code, 60544 and 60586 continue to offer more affordable entry points into the Plainfield real estate market. There are 115 active listings in Plainfield School District 202 with an average list price of $551,000. There are also 113 properties under contract and 50 homes sold in January with an average sold price of $483,000. Indian Prairie School District 204 has 5 active listings with an average list price of $813,000. Additionally, 2 properties are under contract and 1 home sold in January for $473,000. Finally, Oswego School District 308 has 24 active listings with an average list price of around $653,000. Presently, 17 homes are under contract and 2 homes closed in January, averaging $473,000. The key takeaway here is that District 202 moves the most volume and remains a balanced option for many families, while homes in District 308 carry higher list and sold prices. For buyers, Plainfield offers a wide range of price points across the zip codes and school districts. From the mid 400,000s in 60544 and 60586 to the higher end homes in 60585, there are options for every budget. And for sellers, with 136 homes going under contract in January, the market is healthy and demand is steady. Homes that are priced correctly and marketed well continue to sell within a reasonable time frame, even with the average days on market stretching to just under 2 months. January's numbers indicate that the Plainfield real estate market remains a seller's market overall, with variations depending upon zip code and school district. Inventory levels remain low, and buyers are actively seeking opportunities to acquire their new home. While market time is slightly longer than in some neighboring communities, Plainfield continues to offer strong options for both buyers and sellers. Once again, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. If you're curious about your next move, we'll reach out. We'll lay out all your options so you can make a confident decision that's best for you and your family. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.